Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ajax, and in this video I'm going to teach you how we can install contact form 7 WordPress plugin. If you are using a WordPress, then this plugin is really very helpful for you. So I'm going to show you how we can install that plugin on our WordPress and how we can set up that plugin on our site. So first of all, go to your WordPress admin panel, log into your admin panel, and in the left side see here have a plugins option. Just click on add new, and in here just search contact form 7. So see here have a lot of plugins, all of the related to contact form, but I'm talking about that plugin actually contact form 7. See that plugin actually installed more than 1 million. So more than 1 million website owner using this plugin for contact form setup. So first of all we need to install. Just click on install now, and after completing the installation process just click on active. Okay, so now we already successfully installed that contact form 7 in our WordPress. So in the left side see a new menu added called contact. So go to that menu and create a contact form. Just click on add new, give it a name, and then just hit the save button. Okay, so we already created a contact form, and see here have a short code. We need to use that code on our contact page. So just copy it and go to your page section, create a new page, give it a name, a page contact us page, and in here in body section just paste that code and hit publish. So now visit that page. Actually what's it look like? See here have a contact form just we created using that contact form 7 plugin. So now anyone can contact with you using that form. So here have another thing. If you go to your contact form, just go to edit, and in the mail section just go to your mail section and see here have a basic settings. So you need to set up your email address in here. Actually when anyone want to contact with you using that form, if they submit their information and hit the send button, where the information will be go. So enter your email address in here and then hit the save button. So let's see actually our contact form is working or not. So I'm giving my name here. Okay, so just I written a default text and just hit the send button. Great, the message has been sent. So I'm just going to my Gmail. So I'm just okay, so in update menu, so see here have an email. Just open it. See our contact form is actually working good. So I think you understand how that contact form actually work. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, just leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more update.